Hello friends! Today we're going to make a super fun Bluey mask. Step by step, it's going to be easy and exciting. But first, let's see what we need. You will need a sheet of thick paper or cardboard, a pencil and eraser, crayons, markers, or acrylic paints, scissors, glue or tape, and a piece of string or elastic to wear the mask. Got everything ready? Let's start! First, we draw the ears. Before drawing, I suggest measuring the width of your mask to fit your head. Next, draw 2 little side flaps at the bottom. This is where we'll attach the string later. Draw a vertical line down from the middle of the left ear. Now, outline the whole shape of the mask. This will guide us for the eyebrows. Let's draw the left eyebrow. And now the right eyebrow. Next, draw the inner parts of the ears. We'll color and glue them separately after they dry. First, draw the shape for the left inner ear. Now for the right inner ear. It's time for Bluey's big cute eyes. First, draw the left eye, then the right one. Now add the pupils. We'll cut out the pupils later so we can look through the mask. Finally, draw the nose area and the small rounded tip at the bottom. Awesome! The drawing is finished. To get Bluey's colors just right, you can mix your paints. First, paint the darker areas. Mix navy blue, a little black, and just a tiny touch of white. Next, for the lighter blue parts, mix blue with white. Start by coloring the large blue areas of the mask. Add a bit more white to make the eyebrows lighter. For the inner ears and the upper part of the nose, use dark yellow. You can mix yellow, orange, and a bit of white to get this shade. For the tip of the nose, mix black and white to create gray. Paint the gray tip, then outline the rest of the nose in black. Finally, color the pupils in black. Great job! Now, carefully cut along the lines. If cutting feels tricky, ask an adult for help. Cut out the mask, the inner ear pieces, and the holes for the eyes. Glue the inner ear pieces onto the mask. Finally, attach a string or elastic to the side flaps. And there you go! Our Bluey mask is ready. You can now wear it and have fun playing as Bluey. Thank you for making this craft with me today. You can find many more fun drawing and DIY activity videos on my channel. And guess what? We'll be making Bluey's little sister Bingo's mask very soon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more creative crafts and fun new videos.